Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So once again, Intel has a couple of new drivers they have released earlier today. So if you are running an Intel-based system, then just to keep you guys posted. Now, Intel has released a new Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver, 23.120.0, which is now available for download. And if we head over to the Wi-Fi driver, we can see 23.120.0, and here is the download link if you would be interested. Now, if we scroll down to the bottom of the page, and by the way, I'll leave both these download locations linked in the description. And these are the valid products that are listed. And just to go through the change log as to what's new in the latest Wi-Fi driver. First of all, there are enhancements in Wi-Fi sensing. You get Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7 regulatory updates. And then the software release, they say, has been updated to include functional updates. And they also mention that there may be other minor issues addressed which will impact performance, stability, or vendor-specific functionality not listed above. And they say users are encouraged to update to the latest version for the best performance. Now, if we head over to the Bluetooth drivers, same version, 23.120.0. Once again, there's the download link. Page will be linked in the description. And for the changelog for what's new with the Intel Bluetooth driver is that Intel just says it has been updated to include functional updates. And once again, they encourage you to update to the latest version for best performance. Now, as I always say with these driver updates that Intel, as an example, rolls out from month to month, although they are encouraging to update to the latest version for best performance, I'm going to say otherwise, and I always suggest this. If you are completely happy with how your system is running and you do not have any issues, on Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I would not suggest updating to the latest and greatest driver, because a lot of issues on Windows are caused by driver issues. So if everything is stable, then I would just ignore these updates. But obviously, if there's a feature you're looking out for or you've got an issue, then obviously it goes without saying, update to the latest driver. But there we have it. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver 23.120.0 is now available for download if you would be interested. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.